Hello, everybody. It's Fit-A-Thon Day. And this slideshow is going to tell you everything that you need to know about the Fit-A-Thon 2019 Fit-A-Thon in just a moment. Okay, here's your information. The Fit-A-Thon will happen after lunch. You have 30 minutes to eat your lunch, and during that 30 minutes, you can spend your raffle tickets. If you're not here today, if someone's not here today and received raffle tickets, don't worry about it. We're not doing the drawing today, so we'll make sure that those get to the student. Eat your lunch during that time. At 12:30 p.m., all backpacks will go by the green wall, and then get ready to go to your Block 4 stations. What's going to happen at the Fit-A-Thon is from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. We're having 9 different stations, and we're at each station for 12 minutes. And there's a 1-minute transition, and we have a DJ, and he's going to call the transition in between each station. At 3 o'clock, it's Fit-A-Thon free choice. And then you can go back, you can hang out and play, but there's this extra prize that's happening today. Whichever Block 4 class can get to their assigned location the fastest and the tidiest and look the sweetest and maybe take a class picture together, Miss Bryant is going to give you, your principal, is going to give you something called a principal popsicle. And you're going to get that popsicle at 3 o'clock p.m. So I'm going to look and see who's the cutest, fastest, sweetest, and they're taking a picture together class at their station right after the 12:30 p.m. bell rings. So this slideshow will tell you where to go for that. After 3:20 p.m., when school is released, you're going to have a very long Thanksgiving holiday and no school on Monday. Okay, here's some more information. This is where you need to go. Your Block 4 teachers are right there. So Mr. Burns' science is going to go to the Fox's Corner. It's the chill zone. So they're going to start off chilling out. For example, others will not. There's an adrenaline rush obstacle course that Miss Flowers' class is going to go to first. Whew. So these are your meeting locations. This earns you the popsicle reward, especially if you take a class picture. One of those selfies where one person holds it and somehow you get all the class in at the same time. Okay, here's your official start locations on the map. So Mr. Burns' class, for example, they're probably going to win because of all this focus on them. They're all going to go to the Fox's Corner chill zone. And right after the chill zone, if you notice, they're going to head to Infinity Tag, over to Foursquare, down to the dance-off, over to the Gaga Ball Pit, then to the obstacle course, then to soccer, then to Zumba, then the water balloon toss. And that will take them all to 3 p.m. So wherever you start, you're just going to rotate around and your teacher is with you. Take pictures, you guys. Look, there's Miss Bryant from last year. She's so cute. Gosh, and she's holding one of those popsicles. But this slide is about student expectations. To be safe and fun, all students, it's best if you have totally respectful interactions with adults. In fact, be overly grateful because this is a day set up just for fun. Be careful about property, please, and stay with your groups. You're going to get permission to go to the restroom one at a time. And we have something special called the Fit-A-Thon Holding Zone. Internally, it's known as the Fit-A-Thon Prison, but we like to also call it the holding zone, where if you are not able to maintain expectations, you'll be sent to the Fox's Den holding zone to work on class assignments until 3:20 p.m. and you might not get to participate in the next school event. We just want to have super fun and we don't want to worry about any behavior expectations. So please make sure you follow all directions and that you're happy and taking pictures. And we have so many prizes, but first I want to show us all the amazing donors who's given to us. All these things, see all those things too? So many generous donors and parents who made it possible. Okay, at the very end of the day, at 3 o'clock p.m., you're going to get your free choice. And then the Block 4 class, the chosen class with the selfie, with the cuteness at 12:30, they're going to get the free principal popsicle. That's one of the first prizes that's like an extra prize today, but there are so many prizes, and I'm going to tell you about them right now. Okay, Block 6 teachers, you can pass out your raffles and wristbands now. Club 85, if you earned $85, which was the per student how much we'd have to earn to get the Fit-A-Thon or to get to our $20,000 goal, you guys are going to get bracelets. And during lunch, you get to access the Fox's Corner, also known as the Chill Zone, also known as Club 85 Zone. You also get the Gaga ball and more. And that's only if you're wearing a bracelet. Handed out now. If you earned $125, you get Club 85, plus you get an opportunity drawing tickets, 5 of them, plus you get the Amazon gift card raffle. If you earned $250, which 35 IVA students did, you get all of that plus a Boba Loca and a board game party to come, not today. And if you got $500, which 13 IVA students did, you get a limousine lunch on a Thursday to In-N-Out in a limousine. Oh my goodness, you 13. And that's going to be like the longest stretch limousine ever because there's 13 of you in the limousine, probably with some parent supervision too. Okay, top winners get all of the above. Limousine, everything, plus extra things. Grace was the second place winner, and she got a $175 Amazon gift card or Apple AirPods, whichever she chooses. The very first place winner is Mackenzie with $1,350, and Mackenzie gets a Chromebook or a $225 Amazon gift card. Oh my gosh, Grace and Mackenzie. Oh my gosh. How's this even possible? And because we met the prize, over $25,000 were raised, we get shade and benches. It's going to be amazing. It's going to happen this year. We're going to make it happen fast. But you guys, guess what? Because we got this big, big, big prize, the whole school not only gets to celebrate at the Fit-A-Thon, they also get a full week of cozy dress. All week long, you wear your coziest clothes the week before winter break, an entire week. And this goes for teachers too. I want teachers to be wearing their sweatpants to work for a whole week before winter break. We are going to head into the holidays so relaxed, but we're not there yet because there's still the Fit-A-Thon. The opportunity drawings, everybody who earned $25 gets one raffle ticket. That's what's being passed out. And there's like all these crazy prizes. So you can spend all your raffle tickets in one prize, or you can spread them out and see what luck you have. All these amazing teachers have donated really cool prizes. Teachers and students, you have to take pictures when you do these prizes. The prizes are posted on the lunchroom door to find out more about them, and we'll draw when we return from break. Okay, thanks to the parents and the most amazing PTA, we have a fundraising thing that happens on campus that earns you guys shade and benches, and it earns you popsicles if you're really fast from your principal and you're taking like a picture as a class, and it also earns you just this day of fun, and we're going to do that in a moment. So remember, school's not out till 3:20 p.m. You're going to have a happy and very long Thanksgiving holiday week off. Plus, there's no school on Monday, December 2nd because we have a faculty academy. You guys are the luckiest middle schoolers in Long Beach. In backwards order, happy faculty academy. Happy Thanksgiving week next week. And I'm going to take my keys off because right now we're heading out to have fun and play. Happy Fit-A-Thon. Happy everything to everyone.